here with my wonderful friend Tim. He's going to just do an amazing job today. I know you are. You have skills.
I'm very confident, very confident.
We're doing something now. He kind of expressed some of the things that he likes. So he actually loves LSU football. So kind of explain why do you like LSU?
What's not to love? It's an amazing culture, best uniforms in the league. But I'm born and raised in Louisiana. So Louisiana and all things Louisiana has a special place in my heart, especially my LSU Tigers.
That is awesome. So I hope we do them proud today. All right, so what we're gonna do is a stripe pattern around the cake. So we have different colors here. And so I'm just gonna show you how to do one, and then we're just gonna keep on repeating the pattern all the way to the top, and then we're going to do something magical. So we're just gonna take it like this and just squeeze and go around. And then take the next color, and you can do the same thing there. Just take it and just squeeze it and go around. Check him out, guys. Look.
I can't go
He's like, no, you're doing it, man. That's awesome. That's great. And it doesn't have to be perfect, okay, because we are going to fix it at the end so it looks like amazing. That's awesome. Wonderful. So the next one is white. And then we'll go to gold, and then this purple color again. Yes.
All this icing brings me to the word Fat Tuesday.
Yeah, right? It does. It does. We could have done this one on Fat Tuesday. Yeah, that's awesome. This is great. When is Fat Tuesday? Is that in March, or is that?
It varies. It's 40 days before Easter.
Okay. Awesome. Thank you. That's
in there.
Oh no, it's totally fine, man. When we put it all together, it's gonna look just great. And you know, cake decorating is always fun because people can express themselves and do the things that they love, and it just, I don't know, it's just such a beautiful thing. Ooh. So you're totally fine, man. Totally fine.
It's a big straight.
It's okay. So you can do big ones, small ones, really skinny ones. And by the time it's all done, it's just gonna look beautiful. And you can do this like super, super small. It just depends upon what you like. This is great. It's fun.
It is fun.
You'll be able to make this for your kids, your wife. You know, they'll be having you make all the birthday cakes.
Oh, all that.
You could. I remember when I started, I was done after the first one. I was like, this is it. I'm never doing this again. But here I am. Thousands of cakes later. It almost looks like it could be Lakers colors too, so.
Easy.
No.
No Tigers.
No Tigers. All right, so what we're going to do here is we're going to use this bench scraper, and we are going to smooth out the cake. So it's going to look like a bunch of lines. So I'm going to do the first half, and then I'll let you do the second half. Okay? So we're just going to go around like this. Okay, so I'm about halfway. And I'm going to scrape all this off so that you don't transfer this buttercream. Look at that, man!
Yeah, it looks
Check
great.
it out!
Looks just great.
I told you it would be amazing! Yay! He's doing it, man. You guys cheer him on, okay? He's just gonna read all your comments later. Leave him lots of love. This is perfect, Tim. That's awesome. You must have gone to culinary school or something.
I did not. My sister did.
His sister did. I know you're making her proud. I know if she watches this, she's gonna be so thrilled. So, I'm gonna show you how to have the nice crisp edges here. So you just take this like this and pull it across, and you'll see some go over there. It's okay because we're gonna cover it up. You got this, man. Perfect, yes. Now here is the star of the show, okay? We are going to make some grass on the top and put a bunch of chocolate covered strawberry footballs. Check that out, guys! I don't know if you can see it, but it's so cute. We're putting them all over the top. So I'm going to make sure that this buttercream is warm enough here and just kind of put little Yeah, just around, just like this. We're just gonna make like a little patch in the center, and I'll let you fill in the circle here.
As we're talking about Louisiana and New Orleans again is kind of my hometown. Have you ever heard of a dough bash cake? Being a baker.
A dough bash cake.
Dough bash cake.
Wait a minute, is that the one with the babies?
No, that's a king cake.
Okay, that's what I thought.
We've got more than one unique pastry down in Louisiana.
What is this? Tell me what's...
A dough bash cake is a traditional 7-layer cake, and in between each layer is like a pudding filling.
Oh man, that sounds good. That sounds really good. Oh my gosh, so you can get these cakes down in Louisiana then?
Mm-hmm, year round. You can do either chocolate on chocolate or like a yellow cake with chocolate pudding to each layer.
That sounds really yummy. That sounds really, really yummy. This looks great. So I think we have enough to go around. Maybe we'll try to do it all the way around to the end.
To the edge?
Yeah, to the edge. And I think...
Bring it to the edge.
Yeah, that would be awesome. Yay! I'm gonna get our strawberries here. They're so cute, you guys. I just love how like they just resemble little footballs. Super awesome. I'm gonna get all this frosting out of the way here. That is so good. It just looks just like grass. It's just a 1M tip with some green frosting, guys. You all could totally do this. Totally.
I'm going way to the edge.
No, it's okay. That's awesome. Perfect. Oh man, isn't that awesome? You did so well. So now you can just set these strawberries however you would like to on top of this cake here. And think about it, like it's football season, so you know, everybody's watching the game. Snacks are really important at the game. My husband loves the game, I like the snacks. So that's what, when it's usually Super Bowl time, that's what I'm most excited about is the snacks. So that's great. Oh, that's awesome. Hey, that's perfect because we could just set this sign right in the center. It looks like a beautiful game happening in the middle of that cake. Oh my gosh. You guys, check this out. We've got LSU happening here, guys. LSU, baby! Woo! This is great.
Go Tigers.
God bless you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.